Hello, Melanie here, Bell Camper Sales. I'm excited to share with you another 360-degree video. This is one of our new arrivals made by Gulfstream. This is their Trailmaster 279BH. It does have a bunk room in the back that I'm excited to show you, and an amazing outdoor kitchen that's huge out there with awning, power awning, so you can really enjoy outdoors too. Today we're going to focus on the inside, and if you have time in your schedule, come on by. We'll give you the full tour. But just a few highlights here in this one I'm going to share with you. You can definitely move around on this video and look at the things you want to look at while I'm describing some of the few points of this. Right here in the kitchen, we do have this nice 10 cubic foot refrigerator, really deep. You have a big size freezer here, a lot of storage. Gone are the days of having to load the ice chest in the refrigerator. It does have a lock on it, so all your food does stay in there safely while you're traveling. Next, you do have a pretty decent size oven, because everybody wants those biscuits and gravy in the morning, with a nice stove top to cook on. It has this glass top that can extend your counter space while you're in here. Hood vent and light right above that, and a nice size microwave right above. And then you do have some counter space for prep, a double sink here, and you do have the sprayer, which makes it really easy to do the dishes in the kitchen. Some under the cabinet lighting and storage up above. All the LED lighting you can control individually or have them all come on at the same time. Your main panel is here at the doorway to turn on your lights. You do have some additional storage in the cabinet on the other side of this countertop. And then behind me is your entertainment center. This is where you can mount your TV for traveling, and then you do have this sound bar, which makes it really easy to connect your own music to play indoor or outdoor. So, and radio tuner involved in there, and when you're playing your movies, it's going to sound wonderful. You do have a nice place for seating right over here in this big slide out, which gives you a lot of elbow space when you do have to be inside and not being able to be outside. The sofa does convert very easily to an additional sleeping spot with this jackknife sofa, so this can accommodate an additional guest. You'll notice on the wall there's USB charging stations, so we can keep all those electronics charged. And then one of the features I love about Gulfstream is that they give you a lot of room in that booth. Dinette table here, so when you sit down you actually have room to slide in. Your knees don't hit the pole. You have plenty of space here and room to sit at the table. Of course, this table does drop down and can be an additional bed for another guest. I did forget to point out you do have some drawer storage on the end of your cabinet. We're going to move a little bit further back here so I can show you the bathroom and another storage area. You do have some shelves here, and these do go all the way back, so you have the depth to use. Now I wanted to give you a good look at the bathroom. You do have a tub here, so if you have little ones, it does make it easy to shower them up. Skylight in the shower, so if you have the tall ones, you definitely have a little extra headspace there. Toilet is situated here. You do have some additional counter space, shelf, and cabinets above and below the sink. So your family can get in here, take care of their bathing needs, and on to camping. Okay, here in the back is where the kids love to hang out. This is the bunk room. You have 3 separate bunks back here for sleeping. You have window on the lower bunk and one on this side, so it does give you a lot of natural light in here too. TV connections are on the wall so they can be entertained back here, and a pocket door closes this off so they have privacy. Behind me is an amazing amount of storage with this large closet, so that you can definitely hang up clothing there and store things. Next on our tour of this amazing camper is going to be the master suite. I'll meet you there. Okay, here we are in the master bedroom of this Trailmaster 279. You have a queen bed up front. They give you dual wardrobe closets on both sides. These do have a hang-up bar and some space at the bottom to put shoes. You have the shelf covering the top for an additional storage, and of course both sides equipped with electrical outlets and USB charging ports. A couple of windows along with your emergency exit here, and another fan vent just to kind of keep the air flowing. You have 2 entrances into this bedroom, so you don't have to worry about scooting by the end of the bed. And this camper can accommodate a large family or a small family. It's not so extremely big that if it's just a family of 2 wanting to get away, you have plenty of storage for your stuff. We hope that you enjoyed this 360-degree video tour of our Trailmaster. We hope that you'll come down to Bell Camper Sales. Definitely ask for me. My name is Melanie. I'll be happy to give you a tour of this one or many of the other RVs we have available. Let's get you camping.